Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics. Thanks for joining me. I have a little sneak peek for you of some products that'll be coming out very soon. As a demonstrator, I was able to pre-order them early, and as you saw on my newsletter, I have already shown you these beautiful little sparkle stars. They come in white and black and purple. And there's different sizes, as you can see. There's small, and then there's sort of a larger, medium, and then there's a large size. And right here, I just wanted to show you, I colored one of mine red. You can take your blend markers very gently and color over them. They still sparkle, so it's a cool thing. Just don't ruin your tip by doing that. Do it gently. So this is a suite that's coming out. Spooky Halloween is the stamp set I got to go with it. Oh, my thing is tilting down. Hang on, let me tighten that. I think that'll hold it. And Spooky Halloween is just so fun. It's got a little cat and a little dog dressed up for Halloween, a little pumpkin, a little broomstick, some sparkle here, and it says Happy Halloween, no tricks, all treats. Has some bats, has spooky, don't worry, eat sweets. And then it's got these cool dies that match. I haven't even opened them yet, so let me see. These look like this. So you have a haunted house. You have a tab that you could make a tag for a bag or a gift or something. And then the little people, the little dog and the cat, they have them. You could cut out the bats. And what else do we have? The pumpkins and the broom, and you have a little fence. And this actually coordinates with this paper. And so let me show you some of this cute paper. I know it's early for Halloween, but this is going to be online soon, and it's only until it sells out, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you like this, you might want to be looking at it real soon. This is called Spooky Sweets Designer Series Paper. So it's all the same name. The dies are Spooky Halloween dies and Spooky Halloween for this. And this, again, is one of those really cool papers where you can actually cut out for a card front and then just add some things to it, or you can have a long card. And on the back you have this cool purple, beautiful color. Let's see what colors are in this. We have Basic Black, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Petunia Pop, and Pumpkin Pie. And actually these stars go well, so I'm thinking these stars are probably Petunia Pop, which is awesome. Okay, so you get 2 of these sheets. And then you get this one, and look at all the cute candy on it, all over there, candy corn and little lollipops. And on the back, really cool black with a little bit of the orange undertone. This would make a great spooky sky or something. So you get 2 of those. Then you get 2 of these. We get this too. It goes this way, so you have lots of different windows. And like I said, you can layer it onto that other piece that had all the fronts of some of the homes and stuff, or you could just make your own little spooky scene. And this one has little like ghost skull or something in the window there, pumpkins, cats, and little eyes and things, just adorable. Or you can make it a block scene. And then on the back, you have this cool orange. And that was, is it mentioned on here? It's not even mentioned. Oh yeah, it is pumpkin pie. So that's another piece. Then you have this. We're so cool. This could be a little banner. You could use these for tags, or just stamp something in the center and have this in the front of a card. And then on the back, you've got a beautiful gray. Isn't that cool? Okay, and then look at this, how cute, cute, cute. This keeps sliding down on me. Let me try to get it up higher because I don't want you to miss anything. My hands are just not strong enough, I guess, to get it really tight. I think we're good there. Okay, So here on this sheet, these are so adorable. You have a flamingo, you have a little pig, a little bird. What else do we have? A little bear, and yeah, little birds all over, little black crows, and they're all trick-or-treating. So like I said, you can make your own scene. On the back, we've got that beautiful pumpkin pie. Make great fall colored cards. You're gonna get 2 of those sheets. And then you've got this, and this is so cool. I don't want you to miss this. These are all stickers that you can just punch out. They're already perforated, and all you do is just punch them out and then pop them up or glue them down. So here you've got, I guess this might be what goes in here. I'm not sure if it's part of the potion. You've got some bottles, and then you've got things that you could put on top of your bottles. Bats, pumpkins, candy corn, little trick-or-treater princess, the crow. He looks like he's having such a great time. And then you've got that cute little, I guess it's a hippopotamus, as a kind of a ghost. I guess he's all wrapped up. And then you've got these spooky trees, and this is just adorable. And again, you're gonna get 2 sheets of these stickers. So what a great, I bought this for the paper. I just love the paper. Last year we didn't have much paper for Halloween, but I thought this is adorable and will make great Halloween and fall, because of the back being so solid. I could use them for fall cards too. And then I also got our Petunia Pop ribbon. I haven't opened this either. It has a little sparkle to it, which is nice. Okay, here we go. I hope you can see this. Oh, camera, you are not cooperating today. See, can you see the sparkle in there? And it's so pliable, simple to make a bow. And both sides are done, so you can do it from either side, but look at that. It's like butter. It is so sweet. And I love the little bit of sparkle in there. It would go real well with these little stars too. So that's one thing that I wanted to share with you, how I wound up getting those stars for my newsletter. But then I also got a couple other things. They have this new set out. We don't have enough for Jewish holidays. I know we have tons for Christmas. So I bought this, and it has Happy Passover, Bar Mitzvah, Bat Mitzvah, for girls or boys when they celebrate. Mazel Tov. They have the fruit and the honey, some wine, and the Torah. And Lashana Tova, I think I'm saying it right. And I don't know how you say this, so I'm not going to butcher it, but they have all these sayings in here. I thought this was a great set to add. And then, if you remember sweet jars that I got, and it has a matching punch. I do have, let's see, where's my punch? No, I must have it out somewhere. Anyway, there's a punch that matches this jar. Well, now they have a Christmas one that's going to be coming out, Jar of Joy. I had to get it because I already had this. So if you have this or you want it, get it, because there's going to be another one coming out, and you'll have 2 stamp sets to go with it. And they have the cute little gingerbread man that you could put in the jar, gingerbread cookies, and the snowman, a little bit of snow. You've got all the beautiful ornaments, and then the sayings are really nice too. They were like, may your heart be filled with joy, sending a jar full of cheer, wishing you the sweetest Christmas. So be considering that and get this one, because right now we have sweets on sale. I believe this is part of a suite. I don't know if it was just a bundle, but I actually love it. So that's just a little sneak peek of what's coming and to get ready for it. And I hope you, if you need anything, you can shop with me at StampFUNatics.com. I appreciate your order. Spend over $20 and earn rewards for your next order. That always is helpful, because it's sort of like the Kohl's Cash thing. When you buy and purchase, you get these coupons. Well, this is up in your account. Then it will be up there by a present up at the top right corner. And you'll see how much you have that you can choose to use some of it, all of it on your next order. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you had a great time and you enjoy this. And if you haven't signed up for my newsletter to see the cards that I made with these stars, I did some 4th of July that I'd be happy to show you how I made them, and you can just subscribe with me over at StampFUNatics.com. Thanks and have a great day.